Hello friends, in advanced web designing today our topic is meta tag and we will see its different attributes. So let's start. See here the second point of our chapter is meta tag. Let's understand what is meta tag. Before that we should understand what is metadata. What I am saying, what is metadata? Metadata is data about data. That means what? If there is any data, then the information about that data is not an information, but if we process it and we make it sensible, then it becomes an information for others. But that information also has a data. Suppose we have a document file that is of size 2 MB, then the size 2 MB is data about that file. That means it is metadata about that file. So it is a simple example about metadata, but to understand what is tag meta, we should understand what is search engine. See, the Google is our search engine. Let's see, if I search rose here, see, if I'm search rose here and if I'm clicking on images, then it will show me the rose images. Here you can see, we can see the images of rose. What was our keyword? The rose images. So we can see the different types of roses here. How it can be possible? It can be possible because of our meta tag. This meta tag enables search engine. This Google is our search engine. If I search rose images, then the keywords or the sites which are related with rose will be displayed here in the search engine. So we will see how it will work. See, the meta tag is the tag in HTML that describes some aspects of content of web page. That means the meta tags tells search engine that what kind of data or what kind of information is stored in that particular web page. So it is simply the information about the web page that we are making, or our information about our HTML program. So the HTML meta tag is used by search engine to search information, that is simply search information. Our next topic or our next chapter is search engine, that is SEO, that is search engine optimization. We can use this tag to optimize our searches. That means this tag will help search engine easily to search the information that is provided with the web page. This is empty tag, singular tag. That means this tag doesn't have closing tag. It is only meta, like our BR tag, that is singular tag, such that the meta is also a singular tag. This doesn't have a closing tag, only singular tag. See, head, we can place this meta only in head. Not this content of metadata cannot be or will not be displayed in the web page. This is not related with the content on the web page, but this is related with the content about the web page. That is the big difference. See, metadata will not be displayed on the web page. What is metadata? I have told you that the data about your web page. What that means, what kind of information is getting stored in your web page, that is metadata. See, let's see here different attributes of meta tags we can see here. The first attribute is name. What kind of data can be stored, or what kind of data can be on the web page that are provided? The name values can be, see, the name value of the attribute can be related to any of the following. That means it can be author. Author means who is the owner or who is the publisher, we can say. Description. Description means what kind of information that is stored in the web page. Keywords, that means if, like, if I write rose images, then this kind of data will get displayed here. But if I write another keyword, then the different kind of information will be getting displayed on the web page. That are the keywords. Copyrights means what? Copyrights means the, if I am using the Google browser, and if this is the information of Google browser, then all rights about these images or this kind of information is reserved to Google only, not any other site. That is copyrights. See, now you can write this meta tag like this in the head tag. Meta name author. You can write meta name author, meta name description, meta name keywords, like this. You can write from these fours, or meta name copyright. Okay, let's see another attribute is content. If my meta name is author, then if we see our book only, then let's see who is the publisher. See, this information technology is the book, and the author will be, its author is Bal Bharti. I have downloaded it from the Bal Bharti. Or this, see here, you can see the circle, and in that you can see C letter. That means the copyright. All the copyright of these books are of Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research. That is, the copyrights of these books are related to only this organization. No other organization can use that data or this book with their names. Getting? So the content, if I write content author, then content name is Bal Bharti. What? Content is author and the name is Bal Bharti, or you can say information technology also you can write here. If content name is description, description means what? Your information. If the content name is description, then it is, the description is what? The advanced web designing. This book tells about advanced web designing. The keywords, by which keywords you can search this book. If I write in the browser HTML5 learn 5 HTML list in HTML, then this web page can be displayed. If I write meta name keywords, and copyrights, I told you, if I write content name copyrights here, instead of keywords I write copyright, then the copyrights will be reserved by this. I should write here this name. The copyrights are reserved to this organization. See, letter C is here. This is copyright letter. So here they given us a simple program about metadata. See, the another attribute is character set. Character set, this is UTF. UTF-8 is about Indian characters. Character set means what? Which kind of font or which kind of language you are going to use. Indian characters means what? You can use Marathi, Hindi and any other languages in it. Big 5 is stand for Chinese characters. These characters are Chinese character. If you want to use Chinese character on your web page, then you can use Big 5 character set, and if you want to use Indian characters on your web page, you can use UTF-8, that is character set. Like we use if we use English, then there is the English character set. Likewise, if you want to use Indian characters, if you want to make your website in Marathi suppose, then you should use UTF-8 character set in the meta tag. See, this is HTTP eq. This I will tell you after practically, when we will take the practicals briefly, so you can understand it more briefly. Let's see, here they have given us a simple program. Don't see here, only example of meta tag is here in the blue section. HTML head, title, meta tag, meta tag example, title close, and in the head they have given a meta name. Meta name author Bal Bharti, meta name description advanced web technology, meta name keywords HTML5, learn HTML5, list in HTML5, and copyrights they have given copyrights Bal Bharti, all rights are reserved to Bal Bharti, like I shown you above. And this program is simply what? In paragraph tag they have written welcome to HTML5. That means the output of this program will be only welcome to HTML5. This content help search engine. For example, if this web page is getting search on Google, then this content will help Google to search this web page or search the information about the web page. So this is all about meta tag. Thank you so much. We will see the cascading style sheets in the next lecture. If you have any doubts, you can ask me on the comments. Thank you so much.